Assalamu alaikum students. So we were on lesson 1 Nicobobinus, continuing our exercise work from page 12. Let's start part C, question number 2, which is make a statement, a command, a question and an exclamation for each of the pairs of words given below. Don't forget the proper punctuation marks. So here in this question we are provided with these 4 pairs of words and we need to form actually 4 sentences for each of these pairs of words. Here we are provided with an example where they have told us that how they formed a statement, question, command and an exclamation with a pair of words which was man or machine. So they made a statement like a man is not a machine. आदमी एक machine नहीं होता. So this is a simple statement and it is like providing some sort of information. Is a man a machine? So again we can say that it is a question from the placement of question mark, and obviously they are asking like is a man a machine, क्या एक आदमी एक machine होता है. Make that man fix the machine. So it is a command, a sort of हुक्म कि उस आदमी से ये machine fix करवाएं. That's not a man but a machine. ये एक आदमी नहीं है बल्कि एक machine है. So when someone is wondering about someone, so in wonder we can say that. So that was an exclamation. So here we'll be doing the same thing with all of these pairs of words, and they have also told us that don't forget the proper punctuation marks, like question mark after each question and an exclamation mark after each exclamatory sentence and full stop after statement and command. These are the basic punctuation marks actually. So starting with the first one, cat door. The cat is near the door. बिल्ली दरवाजे के पास है. That's a statement. Is the cat near the door? क्या बिल्ली दरवाजे के पास है? It's a question. Let the cat go out through the door. बिल्ली को दरवाजे से बाहर जाने दो. So it's a command. That cat, it has scratched the door. वो बिल्ली जिसने डोर को दरवाजे को स्क्रैच किया. That's an exclamation. Treasure and island. This is a treasure island. ये एक ट्रेजर आइलैंड है. ये ऐसा आइलैंड जहाँ पर कोई ख़जाना हो. दैट्स अ स्टेटमेंट. इज दिस अ ट्रेजर आइलैंड? क्या ये एक ट्रेजर आइलैंड है? सो दे आर आस्किंग हियर. सो इट्स क्वेश्चन. टेक मी टू ट्रेजर आइलैंड. मुझे ट्रेजर आइलैंड ले जाओ. दैट्स अ कमांड. वाओ, इट इज़ द ट्रेजर आइलैंड. So through exclamation mark and through the use of word wow, we can easily guess that it's an exclamation. Part C is pots are empty. The pots are empty. This is a statement providing information. Are the pots empty? Again it's a question. Empty the pots. बर्तनों को खाली करो. So that's a command. Alas, the pots are empty. Again use of word alas and exclamation mark. That's an exclamatory sentence. And the last pair of word is noise and loud. Children are making loud noise. बच्चे ऊंची आवाज़ में शोर मचा रहे हैं. That's a statement which is providing some sort of information. Are children making loud noise? क्या बच्चे ऊंची आवाज़ में शोर मचा रहे हैं? That's a question. Stop making loud noise. शोर मचाना बंद करें. That's a command, obviously asking someone to do something. What a loud noise it is. कितनी ऊंची आवाज़ है ये. Again wondering about something, so that's an exclamation. So here you have these sentences, students. We have made a statement, a command, a question and an exclamation for each of the pairs of words and made sure that we have marked punctuation marks accurately. So that was all for today. Learn these sentences and note them down on your books or your notebooks. That was all for today from my side. Thank you so much.